In this video, I'll guide you through how to downgrade your WordPress version on Hostinger in a safe and controlled way. Maybe a recent update broke a plugin, changed your theme styling, or introduced a bug you weren't expecting. Whatever the reason, rolling back to a previous version can help you restore stability while you troubleshoot or wait for updates. Before you start, make sure you're logged in to your WordPress dashboard that's hosted on Hostinger. You'll need admin access for this. It's also highly recommended that you create a full backup of your site first, including both your files and your database. You can do this through Hostinger's control panel or using a backup plugin. That way, if anything goes wrong during the downgrade, you'll be able to restore your site quickly. Once you're in your WordPress dashboard, look over to the menu on the left-hand side. You're going to install a plugin that manages the downgrade process for you. Hover over the plugins option and click on Add New. This is where you can search the official WordPress plugin repository directly from your dashboard. In the search bar on the top right, type in WP Downgrade. You're looking for the plugin named WP Downgrade Specific Core Version. Check that it has good reviews and is compatible with your version of WordPress. When you've found the correct one, click Install Now, and once the installation finishes, click Activate. Activating the plugin is what makes it available in your WordPress settings. After activation, you'll notice a new option in your settings section. On the left-hand menu, hover over Settings and then click on WP Downgrade. This is the control panel for choosing which WordPress core version you want to run. On this page, you'll see a field where you can enter a specific WordPress version number. This is where you tell the plugin which version you want to downgrade to. For example, if you want to return to version 6.4.2, type 6.4.2 into that field. It's important to use a valid version that actually exists, so if you're not sure, you can quickly check the official WordPress release archive in another tab to confirm the exact version number. Once you've entered the version you want, scroll down if needed and click the Save Changes button. When you save, the plugin stores your target version and prepares WordPress to fetch that specific release. This doesn't immediately change the version yet, but it sets everything up so the WordPress core update system knows which version to install next. After saving, the plugin usually provides a link or a note directing you to the standard WordPress update page. From there, you'll see an option to reinstall or update WordPress to the version you specified. When you trigger that update, WordPress will download and install the older core files that match the version number you entered. Once the process completes, it's a good idea to clear any caching you might be using and then carefully test your site. Visit your main pages, try out key features, and check that your important plugins and theme elements are working as expected. If everything looks good, you've successfully downgraded your WordPress version on Hostinger using the WP Downgrade plugin.